Say hello.
Kill nobody. Gotta stay alive, baby. Like Big Pun. Check.
Mami, tú eres muy linda como me gustas, y cuando estás desnuda me gustas más. Mami, que tú eres linda como las palmas de playa, es que tú me gustas más. La conocí yo en el trabajo, cortica sus falditas, como me gustaban las curvitas en sus piernitas. Siempre platicando notaba su sonrisa y esos ojos bellos que Dios mío me hipnotizan. Fue pasando el tiempo, sentimos el deseo de amarnos locamente, sentirnos físicamente, y yo no lo creía cuando entre sus piernas ella dentro me tenía. Éxtasis sentía, te digo es muy violento, pensando solo en ella todo el día, todo el tiempo. Cuando no la tengo, siento que me estallo. Puedo estar con otra pero no es lo mismo, hermano. Es que a mí me gusta como lo prohibido, y aunque no lo quiera, parce, me flecho cupidos. Estoy arrepentido de meterme con ella, ando más tragado que Romeo y Julieta. ¿Qué? Mami, tú eres muy linda como me gustas, y cuando estás desnuda me gustas más. A mí que tú eres linda como las palmas de playa, es que tú me gustas más. Mami, tú eres muy linda como me gustas, y cuando estás desnuda me gustas más. A mí que tú eres linda como las palmas de playa, es que tú me gustas más.
What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to give you a tour of our little new home. So I want you to come and check it out. Okay. Let's see what this thing looks like inside. Oh, hello there.
Hello,
What's your name?
Nicole.
Hi, Nicole. Are you here to show us your RV?
Yes, I am. Come on in.
Now, Nicole, is this your first time camping?
No.
When was your last time?
We were on our way to Michigan to go pick up this beautiful FPS 19 Geo Pro. I think that's what it's called, or
Something like that.
Something like
Close enough. So, well, this is actually our first time camping because
like really camping. Yeah, it is.
the last time we stayed here before, but it was at rest stops.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it was our first official like hookup to electricity and water and
yeah,
doing a real camping thing.
first time using everything.
Using it, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so tell us about the bed. Do you like your bed?
I do like the bed. I like the bed. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So why?
It's a
you
nice
like-
size bed.
What about the pillows? What's the color? Orange?
Our theme is orange.
Why?
My husband wanted orange. So it's orange. Orange and green. Keep it very earthy and nice and light.
Mm-hmm.
We liked it because it was very modern and light in here.
Okay.
Lots of storage.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What's with the lights?
I liked it.
How come?
I don't don't know. I've always liked hanging stringing lights. I saw these in Crate and Barrel actually, and I think that they're perfect for the space.
Yeah, it sets up the mood at nighttime.
And actually, it's actually pretty bright at night, so that's also very good.
Okay, and our TV.
TV.
I think it's 24 inches.
24 or 26, one of them.
No, 24. Okay. You can plug it into the computer and watch YouTube, whatever you want.
Yeah.
I mean, it also has an antenna, a digital antenna. You can watch, regular TV. I don't know, not much to say about that. We have a sound system. I don't really use it too much. I mean, let me rephrase that. I prefer using my JBL speaker better.
Yeah.
I think it has a little bit of a better quality sound. Okay, your stove. What do you think?
The stove is. We didn't really want a stove. We didn't really think we were going to be using it. It's
Well,
small.
an oven.
Yeah, the oven, right? But we used it yesterday. I think it's a regular stove. It works fine. Stove top. There's 3 burners. Come look at the burners. We have three burners. They work.
Whoa, it works.
They work perfectly.
Cool. No one cares. Now tell me about that couch. Do you like your couch? Go sit in a couch.
The couch is okay. The couch is good. The couch is good. It's comfortable. It's not bad.
And we got that little table.
Yeah. For the computer.
Yeah, so we can do work while we are camping, of course. And that's pretty much, I mean, it's just a small camper. 21 inches, I think it is. 21 footer. Show them the closet.
It's packed right now. We have quite a few things actually hanging, so 2 big jackets, so it's good. I have shoes down here, so it's good. There's actually lots of storage. So
Show them the storage above the kitchen.
Plates.
Okay. Showing Daddy's big toys. This is my toys right here.
What do we have behind this drawer? And this one. And this one.
That's where I keep my toys. There's a little table in the back of the couch. We can turn this couch into a bed if we want to. Which is pretty easy. You can do it. Try it.
I have never done that before.
Just lift it. And out it goes. Oh, there's an umbrella back there.
Yeah, I can't pull it right now.
Okay. So you can sleep one more person in here if you wanted to. I mean, I have a daughter, so my daughter can come to trips with us. We got the fridge and the microwave. Showing the fridge, open the fridge. It's a good size. We hooked it up last night. It got cold right away. Okay, we have the microwave. Freezer is working just fine. We have the cold water, hot water working no problems. And I guess the last thing to show is the bathroom. There's your face. So here's the bathroom.
It's
so
small,
that is a
but it
toilet. That is
the
the shower. And it's a cute little sink. With the cabinet, with the medicine cabinet. Will you open medicine cabinet for us? Nice. And then a little bit of storage in the bottom.
Yeah, there's not much storage in the bottom, but it does the job.
This camper itself weighs about 3,000 pounds, which is very easy to tow. I'm getting about 11 miles per gallon using the Dodge Ram. So, gets the job done. I haven't never used the shower. I'm gonna take a video of me trying the shower for the first time and us cooking breakfast for the first time. Let's put out the, go outside, babe. Oh, you don't have shoes. Let me get in there. This is the controller. And it does have an awning. I'm not gonna put it up right now. It's not necessary. So, how do you feel about your Geo Pro?
I love it. I can't wait to drive cross country.
What's your favorite thing about the Geo Pro?
Huh. That's a good question. I don't know. I think that it's cozy and it's convenient and it's not overbearing. It has everything that we need. And it's just nice. It's just easy to function in here.
I think so, yeah. I like the bed. I like the layout.
Yeah, I love the layout.
I like
This is one of
that.
the reasons why we got it, because we really like the layout.
The cabinets being very light. I like that. It makes the space much more modern and open.
Yeah.
What don't you not like about this place, about the Geo?
Well, so far, I've realized that although the design is very nice, the attention to detail has not been the best.
Yeah.
And that's really a contributing factor to what I don't like. But so far, that's really been it. Otherwise, everything else has been very good.
Little things like this and stuff like that. Like my drawer have fallen off because the screws. It's built like a regular cabinet, and you know when you're driving, you have to reinforce it. So it's just little things that I have found that not major deal,
not major,
nothing big, but you know.
We like that attention to detail. We put a lot of attention to detail to the things that we do. So when we see things that are not done that way, we hold it to a different standard. So that's just what we think.
Okay. All right. So I guess this is it. Anything else you want to say about the Geo Pro?
Not right now, no.
Okay.
I want to cook. I'm hungry.
When is your next vacation gonna be? Where are we going?
We're going to California.
That's far. We're in New Jersey, so that's gonna be a long, long trip. I would like to go to Canada.
Canada. I was thinking Texas.
Yeah, possibly.
New Orleans. I don't know. There's the possibilities are endless. We can go wherever we want to go.
Woohoo! All right, guys. So yeah, this is just a little. You know, I just wanted to tell you about the Geo Pro. If anybody wants to buy a Geo Pro and want more information, because I didn't have the information that I wanted it when I bought it, and when we went to get it, they didn't sell it in New Jersey. We had to go all the way to Michigan to buy it, and everything was from videos that I probably people have posted.
Yeah.
But the videos didn't really have the information that I was looking for. Some of it, but not everything. So this is just a basic review. Okay.
Very basic review.
Okay. Ciao.